Hello children, in this video we are going to learn about dimensional analysis, conversion of one system of unit into another. Already we have learned about using dimensional analysis. I taught you about how to check the correctness of given equation and establishing relationship between physical quantity. Now we will learn about conversion of one system of unit into another. The principle we use here is nu is equal to constant. What is this n? N is the numerical value and U is the unit. The product of numerical value and the unit is a constant. This is the principle we are using. Otherwise, you can also write it as N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. This subscript number 1 and 2 represent the first system and this number 2 represent the second system. Right? Now I'll help you to do a problem so that you can understand how to convert one system of unit into another. Okay, now you read the question. If the value of universal gravitational constant in SI unit is 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kilogram per minus 2, find its value in CGS system. Right? From this you can understand that as a gravitational constant value given is in SI system. Right? Given SI system. This you have to convert it into CGS system. Okay. This SI system is to be converted into CGS system. You remember this. Right. SI system is to be converted into CGS system. Now we will collect the certain details from this question. Before that we will write the principle here. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. Right. Now we will collect certain details from this. Left hand side I will tabulate this. Given system always I represent by the subscript 1 and required system, that is required system here in this case example is CGS system. Right? Required system is represented by the subscript 2. Okay, given system is in, remember that I will make a clue SI and the required system is in CGS system. Okay, now what is the first you get idea what is the physical quantity involved in this problem? What is the physical quantity involved in this problem, children? Universal gravitational constant, right? So what is the physical quantity involved here? Gravitational constant, right? Gravitational constant. Now, what is the numerical value involved here in this 6.6 into 10 power minus 11, right? What is the unit involved in this given system? M square kg kilogram per square. Is it not? Kg power minus 2. And we will write dimensional formula for gravitational constant. We will first find out, right children? We will find gravitational constant for G. For that everything cannot be memorized. So what we can do is, you know that the value of G is given, unit is given as, unit of G, what it is given children? Unit of G it is given as Newton meter square kilogram kg power minus 2, right? So you know that Newton is the unit and the physical quantity involved here is force, right? This is meter. So this meter that is nothing but length, unit of length is meter. So I will write it as length square. Next, kilogram is the unit of mass. Okay, because here I have power minus 2, that's what I have written here. And again I will write this force formula. That is nothing but, force formula is nothing but mass into acceleration. Okay, mass into acceleration. Here you got length square. Okay, length square. And here you got mass power minus 2. Now you know the dimensional formula. M as mass M, acceleration definitely you must know this, L power minus 2. Here you got length square, here you got mass M power minus 2. Shall we club this? So what you will get? M power 1 minus 2 L power 1 plus 2, L power 1 plus 2 and T power minus 2. So M power minus 1, L cube T power minus 2 is the M power minus 1, L cube T power minus 2. It is the dimensional formula for gravitational constant. So G has the dimensional formula for this. Okay, all these things you should know to find out, children. You cannot memorize this. So let me copy down this. So what is the dimensional formula? M power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. So I got the dimensional formula, right? And next I will write M1, the given in the given system, mass can be represented as, it is SI system, so it will be in kilogram. Okay, and next is L1. L1, it can be written in SI system, it is meter, and T1 SI system, time in SI system is 1 second. Okay, so first, before going to the problem, before substituting in this, you just collect all these details, children. Next, what you can do is, same way, here N2, here you got N1. Physical quantity is same, right? Here N2 is, you have to find out. Numerical value involved in the CG system is to be determined. Unit you can write, right? So, Newton in SI system, here in CGS system, Newton is Dyne is in CGS system. Here you got meter square, right? Here in CGS system it will be centimeter square. Kilogram power minus 2 can be written as gram in CGS system. Okay. So unit involved in this system is this. Dimensional formula will be same, right? Now here in this case M2 will be in CGS system, here 1 kilogram, in CGS system it will be 1 gram. Length it will be here 1 meter, here it will be 1 centimeter. And time in both the system, you can write it in second. Okay, whether it is CGS or MKS system, time is in second. So we have collected so detail. We can use this in the formula, right? Now, what you can do is, children, now I will substitute in this. Okay, I will N2U2 is equal to N1U1. I will write it in this format. Okay, N2U2, that is gravitational constant. I will represent it by the letter G1 here. Here gravitational constant, I will represent it by the letter gravitational constant. I will represent it by the letter G2. Okay, so left hand side is the required, so I will write it here G2 M2 L G2 M2 L2 T2. Okay, and you can give powers for this A, B, C. On the right hand side, same thing you write, but replace it with the subscript 1. Okay, L1 T1. Give the same power A, B, C. Now, gravitational constant in the second system, G2 is equal to, bring all this term to the denominator. So, G1, M1 by M2 power A. L2 you bring it down, L1 by L2, both share the same power B. Okay, T1 by T2 power C. Okay, so G2 is equal to, shall we substitute the values, children? Now I will name this as, let it be equation 1, I will name it as equation 2. Okay, now before this what you can do is compare. Okay, compare 1 and 2 and find powers. Okay, and you have to find the powers. If you compare 1 and 2, you can see the first equation is here, children, second equation is here. M power, M1 by M2 is having the power A, here M is power minus 1. So you can write A is equal to minus 1. You can see M, in this term M is having the power A, here M is having the power minus 1. So A is equal to minus 1. Same way you compare L terms here. Take L terms but compare the powers. B is equal to 3, right? So compare time. Here T is having the power C. Here T is having power minus 2. So C is equal to minus 2. Okay. So what you can you noted, you highlight this. Okay, now we will substitute the values. G2 is equal to G1. G1 value is given in the problem itself, children. You can see G1 value is how much? G1 is numerical value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 11, right? So what you can write here, G2 is equal to G1 value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 11. Okay, so M1 by M2. What is M1, children? You can see it is 1 kilogram and here it is 1 gram. Okay, 1 kilogram by 1 gram. Okay, power is A minus 1. Same way, here L1 is 1 meter, L2 is 1 centimeter. So here for this you can substitute 1 meter by 1 centimeter, and for the power B you can write 3. Same way, in both the cases time is 1 second, 1 second. For this you can substitute 1 second by 1 second. The power is C, that is you can write power C is nothing but minus 2. Okay, so G2 is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 11. What you have to do is, in your textbook, whatever you can see different. If I want to simplify this, you can see it is in kilogram, the another one is in gram. If you want to simplify, what you have to do, all the units should be same, then only you can simplify, right? In your textbook, all the unit, whatever two problems are given, children, CGS is converted into SI, as the SI system is converted into CGS. In both the cases, SI system is used here. Okay, otherwise what you can do is you can convert gram into kilogram. Okay, you can write 1 kilogram as such, but 1 gram should be written in kilogram. How can you do that, children? See, you have to note down, children. Look here, you know that 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. You are familiar with this, right? So I can, if I need 1 gram, you can write it as, bring this 1000 to the 1000 into gram, right? If I want 1 gram, bring this 1000 to the denominator, 1000 kilogram. Multiplication will become division other side, right? So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 10 power 3. 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. So this you can also write it as 10 power minus 3 grams. So 1 gram is 10 power minus 3 kilogram. I hope you understood this. Same way, children, you know that 100 centimeter is 1 meter, right? 100 centimeter is 1 centimeter. So if you want 1 centimeter, what will you do? Bring this 100 other side, so it will come to the denominator, division, right? So you can write it as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 10 square. Okay, 100 is 10 square. So this can be written as 10 square. If we take to the power to the top, you will get minus 2 meter. So you note down this. 1 centimeter can be written as 10 power minus 2 meter. 1 gram can be written as 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Okay. So what will you write? 1 gram can be written as 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Here power is minus 1. Same way, 1 meter as such, centimeter convert it into meter. I told you it is getting 10 power minus 2 meter. Power as such, 1 by 1 to any power minus 2, any power you will get only 1, right? Okay. Meter, second, everything will get cancelled. Okay. So G2 is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 11. This 10 power minus 3, if you take it to the numerator, you will get plus 3, right? Already you have power minus 1. Same way, 10 power minus 2, take it to the numerator, you will get 10 power plus 2 into power 3. Here you get 1. So 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power. So you can multiply the powers here. You will get 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Here into 10 power 2 into 3 is 6. Multiply the powers here. So what will you get if you simplify? 10 power minus 11 minus 3 plus 6, right? So 6.6 into 10 power minus 14 plus 6 is nothing but 10 power minus 8. So G2 value, numerical value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 8. You have to write it in CGS system now children. So what is the unit in CGS system? You have noted unit is dyne centimeter square gram power minus 2. Okay, the same thing I will write it here children. Dyne centimeter square gram power minus 2. Okay, so this is the method to convert CGS system into SI system into CGS system. Okay, Newton meter square per kilogram square is converted into dyne. Remember children, in the question you got this Newton meter square kilogram per minus 2. This is SI system, right? This is SI system. To convert it into CGS system, you got Newton, you got dyne here. Instead of meter, you got centimeter square, centimeter square, kilogram power minus 2. Here you got gram power minus 2. So this is the required answer. Okay, gravitational constant in CGS system. Okay, you practice this problem 2 times children. I will teach you in the same model the another problem.